This is a review of the Switti 2-pack LED lighting system. It can be plugged in directly for power, or you can use the NPF lithium-ion batteries. So every setting you need to change with the lights can either be done with the remote or controlled directly from the back of the LED panel. If you have both light panels on the same channel, then every setting you change on one light will change on the other light as well. You can easily set different preset groups. There's a button for increasing the lighting by 25%. This is for when you need to make some fast changes. You can also change the channel if you have many lights and need to set different light groups. The remote control has all the same settings as the back of the LED panel. This adds a lot of convenience, especially when you're filming yourself or you're doing vlogging or something like that. The lights can get quite bright. And one thing I use these lights for is reducing shadows with natural daylight. So you can see right here in this clip I have some pretty heavy shadows from the natural light. But when I go ahead and I turn on the lights, the shadows are greatly reduced. These lights are also great to use with a YouTube or vlogging setup. Usually light rings leave a reflection of a ring in your eyes, and this might be kind of weird, but with these LED lights it does not look so unusual to me. So I've been really happy with these lights for my photography and my videography.